Do you want to convert your Unity loadings from this to this? And do you want your users to be able to select between two game versions on a single web build? Well, you've come to the right place. Download Alimad web build tools from the asset store and click import. So after the package is installed, you'll go into Window, Alimad Go and web build tools. This will open up another panel. Now before we install web build tools, I'll show you that in my project settings, when you go into your project settings, you go into player and you can see there are only 3 web build templates, and when we click install templates, it will install them. Now if you reload the player, you can see that there are 3 more templates: Mad Web template, Mad Web Light template and Mad Web Color template. We're gonna use color template for this project, and let me give you a quick tutorial of multi-web build list. So let me make a small scene here. So as you can see, I have made a bunch of cubes right here that fall into the ground. Now let's say that I export this web build. I'll go into build profiles and I'll click build and run. First I'll add my open scene and then I'll click build and run. That will ask me to create a folder. I'm gonna create a new folder for my game called testing1 and I will export to that folder.
Two hours later.
Alright, so Unity is done exporting and here's our output. As you can see, we have improved the loading screen and it does show a default company right here. That is because in our build project settings we have set the company to default company. I'm gonna rename this to Alimad and we're gonna rename the project to cubes. Now let's say that you make a change to your game, like for example I'm gonna change the color of these cubes. Then I export it again. So now we have 2 web builds. We have one that is colorful and one that we have right here. In which the cubes are red. You can see as it shows it's version 0.4 and the cubes are red. Now you joined a game jam and the previous build was the one that you uploaded to itch.io, and the jam is over. You make an update to the game and then you want the users to play the update, but you also want them to be able to see what you made in the jam. In that case, you'll have to link builds or create a multi-web build. So here in multi-web build list, I'll add a new build, the version 1, and we'll browse and select the folder where we exported version 1, and we'll call it jam version, and we'll add another build which we'll call latest version, and we'll also select its folder which is testing 2, and then we will select the output folder. I'll export to my desktop in this folder, and then I'll click export multi-web build, and in a few moments, in a few milliseconds, it will export the web build and it will take you to the folder where it exported. So now if you open index.html, you will see the screen and you can select between jam version and latest version. If I click jam version, I'll see that there is project version 0.1, and if I select latest version, you'll see it's version 0.4. Now right now it is giving an error because we haven't uploaded it, so I'll upload it to itch.io real quick. And if I select jam version now, it will play the gray cubes one, and if I select latest version, it will play the red cubes one. And that is all Alimad web build tools have to offer. Thank you for watching.